Everyone. So today we are going to unbox crates, and let's just start the video. So let's open these first. Okie dokie. What we're going to get? I don't know, but I think that's good. I don't know what's that. I don't know what is that. Also, oh, that is my favorite one. Yay! Okay. Let's see what is in here. Whoa, that's big. Okay, again this. Okay, torch, I think. Oh, I have that right over there. Big, I mean not big. Oh, I have this also. This. Oh, I like this. And this is 10 crates. What are we going to get? Small in your own camera. No. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. But thank you, and have a good day. Bye.